Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of our research series. In the first episode, we talked about what is research. Now, we are going to talk about how to research like a pro. So let's start. Okay, so you got your topic. Now it's time to research. But remember one thing, everything you see on the internet is not true. A good researcher should be like a detective. Don't just click the first random link Google gives you. Try places like Google Scholar, academic databases, libraries and encyclopedias. And when you are searching, try to be specific. If your topic is ocean pollution, instead of that, try this. Microplastic coral bleaching. Now this is much better. You can also use and or not to make your search much smarter. Now you found a source, but before using it, check it. Use the CRAAP test. Currency, is this recent? Relevancy, does this actually help answer your questions? Authority, who wrote it? Purpose, is it trying to inform you or trying to sell something? Basically, don't just believe the first clue you find. And remember, there are primary and secondary sources. Primary source gives you the original information like experiments, interviews or raw data. Secondary source either explains or analyzes the information like textbook, article or a review page. And you don't need 50 random sources. Aim around 8 to 12 quality sources because quantity is not going to beat quality any day. And the last thing is stay organized. Keep track of your sources and note down everything in your own words, and always record the information because trying to find something after 3 weeks is a nightmare. So better you keep a record of it. Search smart, check your sources, stay organized. This is how you research like a pro. Okay, so this is the end of our second video. In the next video, we are gonna talk about how you can create your own outline.